Yo, I have a rule. I don't wear a sneaker until the review is out there on YouTube because it looks better on camera if you don't just, dirty it. So I just want to get this done so I can finally wear this sneaker because it's incredible. Sylvester's first Air Jordan 4 paid homage to the Nance driveway, but this time he's building a legacy brick by brick, literally. The brick by brick colorway is a love letter to his hometown of Queens, inspired by the classic red brick buildings that define the borough. Draped in rich firewood orange suede, this pair isn't just about looks. It's got function too. With breathable mesh paneling on the lateral and medial sides to keep things cool, Cinnabar leather wraps around the toe for premium touch, while the heel proudly sports the Bike Air logo, adding a personal nod to his roots. And because comfort is key, the sail midsole comes packed with Nike's AirTech for that extra bounce. Of course, it wouldn't be an AJ4 without its signature star-spangled outsole to tie it all together. From driveway dreams to city streets, this sneaker is built to last. So we all know this sneaker was hard to get, but how limited are they? I just want to show you a little segment from Complex.com when they interviewed him about this specific topic. Complex.com asked Nigel straight out, how limited are these? He answered, extremely limited, but people will get a chance to get them. They're going to release on sneakers. They'll be at NBHD stores. We're going to do something special in New York around them so people have a chance to get them, but they're definitely going to be limited. And limited they were. 50,000 pairs worldwide. That was the global stock, but I do want to mention the heist, the train robbery. I don't know exactly how many pairs got stolen, but I think 5,000, maybe even 10,000. So those 50,000 suddenly look a little bit different, right? The official release date was March 14th and the retail price was $225. Sneakers US had 30,138 pairs loaded on the release day. My size 10 had 3,456 pairs available. We also had exclusive access on Sneakers EU the day before the release. 4,417 pairs were loaded. On the Sneakers app, my size 44 had 664 pairs ready. The total stock for Sneakers EU UK was 9,673 pairs. My size 44 had 1,395 pairs ready. But I do want to mention, that was before the EA. So those almost 4,000 pairs, half of the stock disappeared around EA, which is typically how Nike works. Recently, safe to say, I didn't win. Neither did my girl, but I still got them for retail. I did an entire video about that if you want to know how I did it. So click on the link in the description. It's a very long video, but I fought 4 hours to purchase this sneaker for retail. It was the hardest one to get this year so far. Absolutely. Let's just open it up. This is how they look, and you just pop them out. Yeah, I'm still not used to it. God damn, this is a beauty. Check it out. You guys, oh my God. This is dope. So this is actually the size I got for retail, 4.5. Yeah, Kevin Hart's true to size, and this is my size 44. Let's do a little comparison. But yeah, like I said, I already did an entire video of how I got these for retail. So I actually copped size 4.5. That was the only one I was able to get. I paid retail $215, sold them for $450, and then I bought this one for $400. So kind of cheated my way into getting this one for retail. Technically, even though I paid $400 because I sold this one for $450, I consider that as getting this one for retail. But yeah, crazy story. Check that video out. Yo, I want to talk about something that is very important to me, and that is how comfortable are these? Very comfortable. Very different from regular 4s. Not quite the Jordan 4 SBs. We always say that, right? So repetitive. But I do want to show you from that same interview with Complex.com, they straight out asked Nigel, if he changed anything with this one, and he explained in detail. I'll just show you. As an athlete, shoes have to perform for you. Do these have any sort of performance modifications? Are they kind of built like the SB Jordan 4 in a way? Is there anything different than the standard Jordan 4 on these? And then Nigel answered, so yeah, one of the things that people say a lot about the Jordan 4 RM is how comfortable they are. And these 4s sit on the same bedding. So just having that comfort is super important. I've ridden in a lot of shoes before in my life and some of them aren't terrible on the pedal, but I think the focus for myself and the brand moving forward is making sure that we add that comfort into the shoes that we're releasing. And then to my surprise, complex.com even did a follow-up question to that, and to my surprise, Nigel's answer was pretty funny. Do you know if it's the same kind of tooling that was used in the SB4? And Nigel answered, I don't know if it's the same tooling or not, but I know it's very similar. So, you know, the tooling in the SB Jordan 4s, that is the secret sauce. That is the reason they're so comfortable. And Nigel didn't quite know. I thought his answer was funny. You know, how involved was he in the process? But I still love the fact that he's so transparent about it. So yeah, these are comfortable. Fun fact, Nigel's been actually working with Nike for 20 years. His first collaboration was in 2009. I didn't know that. How crazy is that? Now I've filmed the review. I don't have to be careful anymore. Yeah, those are my thoughts. Just an honest review how I feel about these. Let me know in the comments what you think, and also, did you get them? Which size did you get? Where you from? Let us know. As always, thank you for watching the entire video. I'll see you on the next one.